Oh my God, sobrang ganda ng show, first of all.
Sobrang ganda ng
Sobra,
show.
sobra. And, kasama ko po ang aking champion. Grabe, hindi pa rin kami makapaniwala na nangyari yun. Talagang, binuhos naman namin lahat. Lahat talaga dun. Kaya, this is a celebration. Not for us, but also for the whole cast. Sobrang ganda talaga ng show. Crazy first episode. Wow. Yun lang talaga. Wow. You?
Copy-paste back! No, I'm just... I'm so proud of... I'm so proud of us and I'm just so thankful na napasama ako sa show na hindi ko talaga i-expect ever. And grabe, parang yung makita na natin sa TV na kasabay natin lahat. Yung buong family ng Stars on the Floor na watching it and seeing the reaction of the people online who are watching it in their homes.
Sobra.
And just seeing how they're appreciating the hard work that everyone has put into the show.
True.
Grabe, that's the
really
best reward.
Crazy. And dito na namin na sobrang worth it pala lahat ng pagod.
It's my first time to join a dance competition.
Exactly. I'm proud of you!
Dance competition in my life. Usually, yung mga pag sumasayaw ako, yung accompaniment lang siya sa kanta. Hindi siya, it's not the main event.
Yes.
This time, the dancing is the main event.
You are the main event.
We are the main event! So, thank you po mga kapuso sa panonood, sa pagsuporta. At guys, simula pa lang yan.
Simula pa lang po talaga ito. Abangan nyo po sa susunod na linggo ang mga pasabog.
Yes, sa
Di pa po
Stars
kayo handa.
on the Floor!
Stars on the Floor.